Full Throttle family. This is my brand new electric bike, RXF, and I'm going to be showing it to you today. These
adjustable different shocks to make it stiffer.
This is another one.
Yeah.
In the back.
The seat is adjustable to go up and down.
These are my tires. They're
18? Oh, wow.
And I think the front one's also 18.
Absolutely, same size.
This is the back brake. This is the front brake. They work really good.
Show me the modes.
So, green is the slowest. Orange is like medium, and red is like the fastest.
And how do you go through them? Do you press this button?
Yeah, so there's like a red button, and like you press it, and then like yeah. I like this a lot. When you pull it, it makes the bike not go anymore. And I like how it's little inside.
Please, is it for safety or something?
Yeah, and then like you can just put it back in.
Now, is it as fast as a dirt bike?
No.
No.
I think it would be like a pretty awesome like trail bike. If you're gonna go over rocks, logs, and like things. There's my friend.
Yeah, he's on an Apollo rocket, RXF 1300 watts, and you're on an RXF Evo racing. All right, give it a go. Thank you, Fiona. Thank you, Fiona.
Thank you.
Go.
So I'm gonna try out green first. Green is slow. Fiona, stop. Green. You get a bit of weird.
Shh.
Green's like the one for like a bit younger kids, maybe.
Yeah, maybe if you're going through really hard technical stuff.
Green. Now I'm trying orange.
Orange, yeah, give it a go.
Yeah.
And it's actually crazy how quiet it is. It makes zero noise. It is so much quieter than the Stacyc.
I know. Green is not green. Orange is a pretty nice one.
Yeah. All right, go full red mode.
And red is really bad. Fiona, stop digging.
Come around and go over the jumps. This is so good for the dog. She's kind of overweight now. So hopefully she'll shed a few pounds this summer. Nice. So just to wrap things up, how old are you?
9.
You're 9 years old. So this fits a 9-year-old, and the seat can go down so it could fit a smaller kid. And where can you buy this sweet bike?
From Destiny Power Sports.
And you can pick up yours today at Destiny Power Sports. Cool.
I love this shop though. It's really pretty.
Really pretty. You heard it here. Thanks, Everly.